Welcome to Wild Kenya. Today we're setting off on an unforgettable journey to one of the most spectacular corners of our planet. We're in the heart of East Africa, a land bursting with life and contrasts. Kenya is a place where ancient traditions meet wild, untamed nature, and every sunrise brings a new adventure. From the endless golden savannahs, dotted with acacia trees and teeming with wildlife, to the dramatic cliffs and valleys of the Great Rift, Kenya's landscapes are nothing short of breathtaking. Each region tells its own story, shaped by time and the forces of nature. This is the cradle of humanity, where our story began millions of years ago. Fossils unearthed here have revealed secrets of our earliest ancestors, making Kenya a living museum of human history. From the snowy peak of Mount Kenya, Africa's second highest mountain, to the sparkling turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean, nature thrives here in spectacular ways. The diversity is staggering. Rainforests, deserts, lakes, and coral reefs all within one country. Kenya is a photographer's dream and an adventurer's paradise. Whether you're capturing the perfect shot of a lion at dawn or trekking through lush forests, there's magic around every corner. But what truly sets Kenya apart is its wildlife. Giants of the animal kingdom roaming free, just as they have for millennia. Elephants, giraffes, lions, and countless other species call these wild spaces home, living out their ancient dramas on the open plains. Here, the circle of life plays out daily in raw, powerful ways. Witness the thundering migration of wildebeest, the stealth of a hunting lion, and the delicate balance that keeps this ecosystem alive. We're about to embark on a 10-minute safari through Kenya's legendary parks, meeting its most famous residents and the dedicated people who work tirelessly to protect them for future generations. This isn't just about watching animals. It's about understanding their world, respecting their space, and connecting with the wild soul of Africa. Every encounter is a chance to learn and be inspired. So grab your hat and boots. Let's dive into the wild heart of Kenya. Get ready to experience the sights, sounds, and spirit of this extraordinary land. This is going to be one beaut of an adventure. Let's make memories that will last a lifetime as we explore the wonders of wild Kenya together. Let's talk about Kenya's wildlife hotspots. These are places where nature thrives in its most raw and beautiful form. The Maasai Mara National Reserve is legendary, the crown jewel of Kenya. It's a place where the golden savanna stretches as far as the eye can see. Its vast grasslands and rolling hills are home to an incredible density of animals, especially big cats like lions, cheetahs, and leopards. These predators roam freely, creating a dynamic and thrilling ecosystem. The Mara River teems with crocodiles and hippos, adding drama to the landscape. This river is a lifeline for many species, providing water and a habitat for countless creatures. Every creature here, from termites to elephants, plays a vital role in this living ecosystem. The balance of life is delicate and fascinating. Now journey south to Amboseli National Park, where Mount Kilimanjaro towers over the plains. This iconic mountain provides a stunning backdrop to the park's diverse wildlife. Amboseli is famous for its massive herds of elephants, some of the largest tuskers on Earth. These gentle giants are a sight to behold as they traverse the plains. Watching them roam beneath Kilimanjaro is unforgettable. The sight of elephants silhouetted against the setting sun is truly magical. Amboseli's wetlands also attract lions, cheetahs, hyenas, and a spectacular array of birds. The diversity of life here is astounding. Both parks are jewels of Kenya, showcasing why these wild places must be protected. They are not just tourist attractions, but vital ecosystems that support a myriad of life forms. Meet the king of the savannah, the African lion. Nothing matches the thrill of hearing a lion's roar echo across the plains. Lions are social, living in prides led by lionesses who are expert hunters. Their teamwork brings down prey like wildebeest and buffalo, while males defend the pride's territory. Cubs learn through play, preparing for the challenges of survival. Life is tough. Predators and rival males threaten the young, and only the strongest survive. Seeing a pride in action is unforgettable, from playful cubs to powerful hunts. Lions are crucial for ecosystem balance, keeping herbivore populations in check. They're not just kings, they're guardians of the savannah. Now for the heavyweights, the African elephant, the largest land animal on Earth. Elephants live in tight family groups led by a wise matriarch, using their trunks for everything from drinking to grabbing food. Their ears help them stay cool, and their movements shape the landscape for other species. Next, the rhino. Kenya is home to both black and white species, both critically endangered. Rhinos are like armored tanks, with keen senses of smell and hearing. Poaching for ivory and horn has pushed them to the brink, but hope remains. Kenyan conservationists are creating sanctuaries and using technology to protect every precious rhino. Elephants and rhinos are living symbols of the urgent fight for conservation. Their survival depends on our actions. We must protect these giants for future generations. The Cape buffalo, don't be fooled by their looks. They're among Africa's most dangerous animals, fiercely protective and tough. Buffalo herds work together to defend against predators, even chasing off lions. Now the elusive leopard, solitary, powerful, and masters of stealth. Their rosette-patterned coats provide perfect camouflage, and they often stash their kills in trees. Spotting a leopard is a safari highlight, and then the cheetah, the fastest land animal on Earth. Built for speed, cheetahs hunt by day, relying on keen eyesight and explosive acceleration. Their slender bodies and long tails make them the sprinters of the savannah. Each of these predators plays a unique role in Kenya's wild tapestry: strength, stealth, and speed, nature's perfect balance. Now for the main event, the Great Migration. This is one of the most awe-inspiring natural events on the planet, a true spectacle of life and survival. Over 1 million wildebeest, accompanied by zebras and gazelles, journey across the vast Serengeti Mara ecosystem. They are in constant search of fresh grass and water, driven by the changing seasons and the promise of sustenance. This endless cycle is nature's grandest parade, a moving river of life that stretches as far as the eye can see. It's a breathtaking display of unity and perseverance. The migration shapes the land, fertilizes the soil, and feeds countless predators and scavengers. It's a vital process that maintains the balance of this delicate ecosystem. But it's perilous. Lions, cheetahs, and crocodiles lie in wait, especially at the dramatic river crossings. These predators are always on the lookout for an opportunity to strike. The chaos and determination of the herds is a heart-stopping spectacle. The sheer will to survive drives them forward, despite the dangers that lurk at every turn. The migration is the heartbeat of Africa, connecting every species in a delicate balance. It's a symphony of life, where every animal plays a crucial role. Witnessing it is a powerful reminder of nature's resilience. The determination and strength of these animals are truly inspiring. The herds are gardeners of the savannah, shaping the ecosystem for all. Their movement ensures the health and vitality of the land. Every animal plays a part in this grand drama. From the smallest insect to the largest predator, each has a role in this intricate web of life. The Great Migration is a testament to the wild's enduring spirit. It's a celebration of life, resilience, and the unbreakable bond between all living things. Beyond the Big Five, Kenya's savanna is filled with fascinating characters. Giraffes, the tallest animals on Earth, browse treetops with their long necks and tough tongues. Each giraffe's coat pattern is unique, and males battle for dominance by necking. Zebras dazzle with their black and white stripes, which confuse predators and deter insects. Each zebra's pattern is one of a kind, a natural fingerprint. Hippos, the river horses, spend days submerged to stay cool, but are fiercely territorial and surprisingly fast on land. At night, they graze far from water, defying their bulky appearance. These animals are vital to the ecosystem, each with a unique role. Kenya's wild is a stage for nature's most remarkable designs. Never judge a book by its cover. Every creature has a story. Now the most important part, protecting Kenya's wildlife. Poaching and habitat loss threaten elephants, rhinos, and countless other species. But Kenya's wildlife warriors, rangers, scientists, and local communities are fighting back. Rangers patrol parks, risking their lives to stop poachers and protect animals. Local communities like the Maasai are creating conservancies, benefiting from tourism and safeguarding wildlife corridors. Conservation is a team effort, uniting people and technology to track, protect, and restore endangered species. Education and community involvement are key to long-term success. Every rhino, elephant, and lion saved is a victory for the planet. Kenya's future depends on these efforts. Together we can ensure these wild wonders endure. The fight for wildlife is a fight for our shared heritage. Our whirlwind tour of Kenya's wild wonders comes with a challenge. Protecting these animals isn't just Kenya's job, it's a global responsibility. Wildlife tourism supports local communities and conservation efforts. Every visit, every dollar, helps fund rangers, vets, and community projects. But the value of wildlife goes beyond money. Each species is vital to a healthy planet. We must make responsible choices, support conservation, and educate others. Speak out against poaching and illegal trade. Teach the next generation to love and respect nature. The fight for Kenya's wildlife is a fight for the soul of our planet. Let's all be wildlife warriors. Our world depends on it. On West Africa's sweeping curve, where the restless Atlantic Ocean meets the golden shores of Ghana, a world of wonder begins to unfold before our eyes. Here, in a land where vibrant cities pulse with energy and ancient forts stand as silent witnesses to centuries of history, the past and present blend seamlessly. Yet beyond the bustling markets and storied walls, another story quietly unfolds. One written in the rustle of emerald rainforests and the thunder of hooves across the open savanna. Ghana's landscape is a breathtaking mosaic. Tranquil coastal lagoons shimmer under the sun, dense rainforests stretch endlessly, and open savannas roll toward the horizon. Each of these habitats teems with unique life, from playful monkeys swinging through the treetops to majestic elephants grazing in the grasslands, and birds whose colors rival the brightest flowers. This remarkable ecological gradient, packed into a relatively modest area, forms the very foundation of Ghana's wild wonders and natural diversity. Every habitat, from lush riverine forests to sun-drenched grasslands, offers a unique home for countless species, each perfectly adapted to its environment. These communities are all interconnected in a delicate web of adaptation and survival. Flowers depend on pollinating insects, while herds of antelope and other herbivores shape the land as they graze. Every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest elephant, plays a vital role in this intricate dance of life, ensuring the balance of the ecosystem. Today we journey deep into Ghana's wild heart, exploring its remarkable creatures, the challenges they face in a changing world, and the passionate efforts underway to protect them for future generations. In the wildlife of Ghana, we discover a powerful reminder of the delicate balance that sustains all life, and our shared responsibility to cherish and preserve these natural treasures for years to come. In southern Ghana, Tsavo National Park stands as a sanctuary of the Upper Guinean rainforest, a cathedral of towering trees and perpetual twilight. This lush expanse stretches over 350 square kilometers, sheltering a world that feels untouched by time. Here the air is thick with the scent of earth and green, and shafts of sunlight filter through the dense canopy, painting the forest floor in shifting patterns of gold and shadow. The forest teems with life, from mossy trunks to the bustling leaf litter below. Every inch is alive, with insects, amphibians, and small mammals weaving through the undergrowth, each playing a vital role in this thriving ecosystem. Tsavo's iconic canopy walkway offers a rare glimpse into the treetop world, 40 meters above ground. Suspended between ancient trees, it invites visitors to experience the forest from the perspective of its most elusive inhabitants. Here, monkeys and birds move through their leafy highways, their calls echoing through the branches. The air is alive with the flutter of wings and the chatter of primates, creating a symphony unique to Tsavo. Troops of Loa's monkeys and black and white colobus forage and play, while the elusive forest elephant moves silently below. These gentle giants leave only faint traces, their presence felt more than seen, a reminder of the park's wild heart. Antelopes, like the tiny royal antelope, dart through the thickets, each layer of the forest supporting its own community. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, every creature finds its niche in this living tapestry. Kakum is a multi-layered bastion of life, where every level from soil to canopy forms an essential part of a vibrant ecosystem. The interdependence of these layers sustains the park's incredible biodiversity, making it a vital refuge for countless species. To walk here is to witness the intricate architecture of the natural world, a living masterpiece shaped by centuries of growth, adaptation, and survival. Ghana's forests and savannas are alive with birdsong, a symphony performed by over 725 species. In Kakum's rainforest, yellow-casked hornbills and crimson-winged turacos flash through the canopy, while sunbirds shimmer as they sip nectar. Shy green voles and illidopsis forage in the undergrowth, each bird perfectly adapted to its niche. In Mole National Park's savanna, the cast changes. Raptors soar, bataleur eagles display acrobatic flight, and ground hornbills stalk the grasslands. These birds are more than beautiful. They're vital to their habitats, dispersing seeds, controlling insects, and maintaining balance. The fruit eaters regenerate forests, insectivores keep pests in check, and raptors rule the skies. To listen to Ghana's birds is to hear the heartbeat of the wild, a constant reminder of its vitality. Their presence signals the health and complexity of these ecosystems. Traveling north, Ghana's landscape transforms into the open Guinea savanna home to Mole National Park. Here, rolling grasslands and scattered trees stretch beneath an immense sky punctuated by seasonal rivers and waterholes. Mole's character shifts with the seasons, lush and green in the rains, golden and parched in the dry. Wildlife congregates at waterholes, herds of cob waterbuck and roan antelope, warthogs and baboons animate the plains. The open savanna offers a grand stage for observing animal interactions, from elephants' slow procession to antelope's wary drinking. Unlike the hidden forests, Mole's openness reveals the timeless rhythms of predator and prey, drought and rain. From a safari vehicle or a lodge viewpoint, the spectacle of Africa unfolds in breathtaking scale. Mole is a window into a wild ancient kingdom. Of all Mole's remarkable inhabitants, none are more iconic or awe-inspiring than the African elephant. Creatures that have roamed these grasslands for generations, shaping the landscape with their presence. They are the largest land animals on Earth, towering above the savanna and commanding respect with every step. Mole provides sanctuary for a significant elephant population, offering them a safe haven where they can thrive and raise their young. Witnessing a herd approach a waterhole at sunrise is an unforgettable experience, an ancient ritual that connects past and present. Led by a wise matriarch, elephant herds are tightly bonded, with each member playing a vital role in the family's survival. They communicate through deep rumbles, gentle trunk touches, and subtle gestures, an intricate language that keeps the group united. Their days revolve around searching for food and water, often traveling great distances across the savanna in their quest. Elephants consume vast amounts of vegetation each day, stripping leaves, branches, and bark from trees to sustain their massive bodies. Their trunks, incredibly versatile and strong, are used with remarkable dexterity to gather food, drink water, and even care for their young. At waterholes, elephants drink, bathe, and play, moments of joy and relief from the heat, especially for the youngest calves. Young elephants are especially exuberant, learning and exploring under the watchful eyes of their protective mothers and aunts. Elephants are true architects of the savanna, opening up grasslands, digging for hidden water sources, and dispersing seeds as they move. In doing so, they shape the ecosystem, creating opportunities and habitats for countless other species to flourish. Even their dung plays a vital role, fertilizing the soil and helping new plants to grow, which in turn supports the entire food web. As they move, elephants create pathways and clearings, making it easier for other animals to find food and shelter. As a keystone species, the health of Mole's ecosystem is intimately tied to the well-being of its gentle giants. Their presence is a sign of a thriving, balanced environment. Protecting these magnificent animals is essential for the future of the savanna, ensuring that generations to come can witness their majesty and the rich life they support. While elephants and antelopes dominate the day, Ghana's predators rule the night and shadows. The leopard, master of stealth and adaptability, is the apex feline, its rosetted coat perfect for ambush in forest or savanna. Leopards hunt with patience and power, often hauling prey into trees to avoid scavengers. Spotted hyenas, intelligent and social, thrive as hunters and scavengers, their calls echoing at night. Smaller carnivores, servals, mongooses, civets, play vital roles in the ecosystem. Predators are indicators of a healthy landscape, requiring space, prey, and protection from human threats. Safeguarding them preserves the wild integrity of Ghana's parks for generations to come. Ghana's biodiversity is precious but fragile, threatened by deforestation, mining, and poaching. The Wildlife Division leads protection efforts, with rangers patrolling vast areas, dismantling snares, and deterring illegal activity. Their dedication, often with limited resources, is the backbone of conservation. Science is key. Researchers track elephants, study species, and inform management decisions. International partnerships bring funding, expertise, and support for ranger patrols, research, and community programs. This collaborative approach, government rangers, scientists, and NGOs, forms a multifaceted strategy to secure Ghana's natural heritage. Only through unity can these wild treasures be preserved. Conservation cannot succeed in isolation. Ghana's parks are surrounded by communities whose lives are intertwined with the wild. Modern strategies focus on partnership, ensuring locals benefit from ecotourism and park revenues. When communities see value in living wildlife, conservation shifts from conflict to cooperation. Education and outreach foster pride and stewardship, while alternative livelihoods like beekeeping reduce pressure on natural resources. Human-wildlife conflict remains a challenge. Elephants may raid crops, causing losses and resentment. Solutions include deterrents like beehive fences and compensation schemes. The goal? A buffer of tolerance and mutual benefit, where people and wildlife thrive together. The future of Ghana's wildlife depends on the hearts and minds of those living alongside it. Our journey through Ghana's wild heart reveals a land of beauty, complexity, and resilience. From rainforests to savannas, this natural inheritance is a legacy for Ghana and the world. Yet it faces mounting threats. Its future depends on choices made today. Protection requires government commitment, resources for rangers, and strong legal enforcement. Long-term success lies in community partnerships, education, and scientific research. Conservation must be active, inclusive, and collaborative. Ghana's wild wonders are a source of pride, economic opportunity, and ecological health. By working together, we can ensure these treasures endure for generations to come. Crikey, strap yourselves in, mates, because we're about to embark on an adventure like no other. Welcome to the mighty Amazon. This is the beating heart of South America, a place of mystery, wonder, and untamed beauty. Steve Irwin here, and today we're heading deep into the wildest place on Earth, the Amazon rainforest. It's a land where adventure lurks behind every tree, and every step could reveal a new discovery. This place is absolutely enormous, covering more than 2 million square miles, so big it has its own weather system. The Amazon stretches across 9 countries, making it the largest rainforest on the planet. The Amazon is often called the lungs of the planet, producing much of the oxygen we breathe and soaking up carbon dioxide to keep our climate stable. Without it, life as we know it would be very different. Imagine a world painted in 1,000 shades of green, where the air is thick, humid, and alive with the scent of earth and growing things. The sounds of the wild, birds, insects, and distant animal calls echo all around you. Sunlight barely reaches the forest floor, filtered through layers of leaves above, and every step is alive with buzzing, chirping, and rustling. It's a world where even the smallest creatures play a vital role. Our mission today, explore this incredible ecosystem and meet some of its most amazing residents. From the forest floor to the soaring canopy, there's life everywhere you look. We'll search for the powerful, the colorful, and the tiny critters that make this place so special. Jaguars, macaws, poison dart frogs, each one is a marvel of adaptation and survival. The Amazon is a treasure chest of biodiversity, and we're about to open it up. Every corner hides a new surprise, from rare plants to extraordinary animals. So grab your gear, keep your eyes peeled, and let's go and find some wildlife. The adventure of a lifetime awaits us in the heart of the Amazon. Right, our first animal is a true legend. The jaguar, top predator of the Amazon. With its golden yellow coat and dark rosettes, the jaguar is built for stealth and power. Jaguars are solitary hunters, masters of patience and fantastic swimmers, hunting everything from caimans to monkeys. Their bite is so strong it can crush the skulls of their prey. Young jaguars learn to hunt from their mothers, perfecting their skills over 2 years. They climb, swim, and stalk with silent precision, making them the ultimate survivors. Spotting a jaguar in the wild is rare, a true symbol of the Amazon's untamed spirit. Protecting jaguars means protecting the entire ecosystem they call home. What an honor to share the planet with such a magnificent animal. Let's keep moving. There's more to discover. Now, let's get down on the forest floor, where the air is thick with humidity and every inch teems with life. Here, hidden among the leaves and moss, a tiny jewel waits to be discovered. Meet the dazzling poison dart frog, one of the rainforest's most iconic and mysterious residents. Despite their small size, these frogs are impossible to miss. These tiny amphibians come in electric blues, fiery reds, and vibrant yellows, nature's warning sign, "Don't eat me." Their vivid colors are a bold announcement to predators that they are dangerous and not to be messed with. The secret to their toxicity lies in their diet. By feasting on ants, mites, and other small insects, they absorb potent chemicals, transforming their skin into a powerful shield. Some species are so toxic, just touching them can be dangerous. In captivity, without their wild diet, they lose their toxicity, proof of how closely survival is tied to environment. It's a fascinating reminder that even the most dangerous creatures depend on the delicate balance of their ecosystem. Poison dart frogs are also devoted parents. Males carefully guard their eggs, keeping them moist and safe from predators, showing a surprising side of tenderness in the wild. When the eggs hatch, the fathers carry their tiny tadpoles on their backs, transporting them to miniature pools of water in leaves or tree hollows, ensuring their young have the best chance to survive. Their permeable skin makes them incredibly sensitive to pollution and changes in their environment. Because of this, their presence is a sign of a healthy, thriving rainforest. If these frogs disappear, it's a warning that the ecosystem is in trouble. Their absence signals that something is wrong and that the balance of the forest is at risk. Protecting poison dart frogs means protecting clean water, lush forests, and the intricate web of life that depends on them. Their survival is linked to the health of the entire Amazon. Every creature, no matter how small, plays a crucial role here. From the tiniest ant to the largest predator, each one helps keep the rainforest alive and vibrant. The Amazon is full of wonders and secrets. Let's keep exploring to see what else this incredible rainforest has in store. Let's head to the water's edge, where the mist rises gently from the surface and the rainforest awakens with the calls of distant birds. Here, beneath the tangled canopy, lives the Amazon's most mysterious resident, the pink river dolphin, or boto, a creature both enchanting and elusive. Unlike their ocean cousins, pink river dolphins have long, slender snouts and remarkably flexible bodies, allowing them to twist and turn with ease as they weave through the submerged forest during the rainy season. These dolphins are born a soft gray, but as they grow older, many develop a striking pink hue. Scientists believe this color change may be caused by playful scuffles, scars, or the presence of blood vessels close to the skin, making each dolphin's shade unique. With tiny, almost hidden eyes, they rely less on sight and more on their extraordinary echolocation abilities to navigate the dark, murky waters of the Amazon, where visibility is often just a few inches. When the rains come and the river floods the forest, these dolphins venture deep into the submerged jungle, skillfully hunting fish, crustaceans, and even small turtles in a world that remains hidden from human eyes. Sadly, their magical world is under threat. Pollution, plastic waste, and fishing nets pose serious dangers, trapping and injuring these gentle creatures and polluting the waters they call home. For centuries, local legends and indigenous beliefs protected the pink river dolphin, weaving them into the spiritual fabric of the Amazon. But today, modern challenges are pushing them closer to extinction, and their numbers are dwindling. Protecting the pink river dolphin means more than just saving a species. It means keeping the rivers clean, supporting sustainable fishing, and preserving the delicate balance of the Amazon's ecosystem for all who depend on it. These gentle giants are a living symbol of the Amazon's wild, untamed waterways, a reminder of the beauty and mystery that still exists in our world. Let's do our part to ensure these incredible dolphins continue to swim free for generations to come. Now, let's journey back to the treetops and see what other wonders await. Look up. Those flashes of color are macaws, the rock stars of the Amazonian sky. Scarlet and blue and yellow macaws light up the canopy with their vivid feathers and raucous calls. They're social, intelligent, and often mate for life, preening each other as a sign of deep connection. With powerful beaks, they crack tough nuts and spread seeds, helping the forest regenerate. Every morning, flocks gather at clay licks for essential minerals, a spectacular, noisy event. But their beauty puts them at risk from the illegal pet trade and deforestation. Conservationists are fighting back with nest boxes and reforestation. Protecting macaws means protecting the rainforest's future. An Amazon without macaws would be a much duller place. Let's head down to the forest floor for our next marvel. On the forest floor, a parade of green, leafcutter ants, the rainforest's tiny farmers. They don't eat the leaves. They use them to grow a special fungus, their only food. Each colony is a superorganism with millions of ants working as cutters, carriers, defenders, and gardeners. The queen lays thousands of eggs, while soldiers protect and workers farm the fungus. Their underground nests aerate the soil and their leaf-cutting prunes vegetation, encouraging new growth. Leafcutter ants are a keystone species. Many others depend on their work. They show us the power of teamwork and the complexity of rainforest life. Even the smallest creatures shape the world around them. What little champions. Now let's zoom out for the big picture. The Amazon is a world of plants. Giant trees, vines, orchids, and ferns all competing for sunlight. The emergent layer towers above, while the canopy forms a leafy roof bustling with life. Epiphytes like bromeliads collect rainwater, creating tiny pools for frogs and insects. In a single hectare, you can find more tree species than in all of North America. The Amazon River and its tributaries are the lifeblood, supporting creatures from dolphins to piranhas. During the wet season, flooded forests become vital habitats for countless species. Everything is connected. Macaws spread seeds, ants prune leaves, jaguars keep balance. It's a delicate web of life, millions of years in the making. Pull one thread and the whole system unravels. Crikey, this paradise is in trouble. The Amazon is disappearing fast. Deforestation for cattle, crops, and logging destroys habitats for millions of animals. Fires, often set to clear land, rage out of control, making the forest drier and more vulnerable. These fires kill wildlife and release carbon, worsening climate change. Animals lose their homes, forced into smaller areas, leading to conflict and disease. Poaching and the illegal wildlife trade thrive where roads and logging open up the forest. Rivers suffer from mercury pollution and dams poisoning water and disrupting ecosystems. All these threats are connected, pushing the Amazon to the brink. We're in a race against time to save it. But there's hope. Let's see how we can help. There is hope. Around the world, people are fighting to protect the Amazon. Conservationists and indigenous communities are creating protected areas and reforesting the jungle. Technology helps. Satellites track deforestation, drones plant seeds, and biologists study wildlife. Responsible ecotourism gives locals a reason to keep the forest standing. You can help too. Be a conscious consumer. Choose products that don't contribute to deforestation. Look for certifications like the Rainforest Alliance seal. Spread the word. Talk to friends and family about the Amazon's importance. The Amazon's health is our health. It gives us oxygen, regulates climate, and is home to breathtaking life. Saving the Amazon is about saving ourselves and future generations. Let's get passionate, work together, and protect this incredible treasure. Be a wildlife warrior. Crikey, what an adventure. Thanks for joining me in the mighty Amazon.
Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of alligators. These ancient reptiles, with their prehistoric lineage, have long captivated our imaginations. They are creatures of formidable strength and stealth, perfectly adapted to their watery domain. Join me as we venture into the swamps and bayous, those sun-dappled havens where alligators reign supreme. We'll uncover the secrets of their behavior, from their surprisingly complex communication to the extraordinary lengths they go to safeguard their young. Get ready to have your perceptions challenged as we delve into the top 5 secrets about alligator lives that you never knew. The swamp, a symphony of life, echoes with a chorus of sounds. The air is thick with the calls of birds, the hum of insects, and the rustling of leaves. It's a vibrant ecosystem where every creature has a voice. But beneath the rustling reeds and chirping insects lies a hidden language, the language of the alligator. This ancient reptile, often misunderstood, communicates in ways that are both fascinating and complex. Alligators, far from being silent hunters, possess a surprisingly diverse vocal repertoire. Their sounds are not just random noises, but are carefully crafted messages that convey a variety of meanings. Deep, resonant bellows, often produced during the breeding season, reverberate across the water, a declaration of territorial dominance and a call to potential mates. These powerful sounds can travel long distances, ensuring that the message is heard far and wide. Hisses, a more common sound, serve as a warning signal. When an alligator feels threatened or is protecting its territory, it will emit a sharp hiss to ward off intruders. An intruder venturing too close to a nesting site will be met with a sharp, explosive hiss, a clear sign to retreat. This hiss is not just a sound, but a clear message. Stay away. And then there are the roars, those spine-chilling eruptions of sound that send shivers down the bravest of spines. These roars are the ultimate displays of aggression, reserved for only the most serious of confrontations. These are the ultimate displays of aggression, reserved for only the most serious of confrontations. When two alligators clash, their roars can be heard echoing through the swamp, a testament to their strength and determination. But alligator communication extends beyond vocalizations. They use a combination of body language and touch to communicate, especially between mothers and their young. This nonverbal communication is just as important as their vocal sounds. They use a combination of body language and touch to communicate, especially between mothers and their young. A gentle nudge or a protective stance can convey a wealth of information. A mother alligator, sensing danger, will raise her head high above the water, her young instinctively scrambling onto her back for protection. This behavior ensures the safety of the young and demonstrates the strong maternal instincts of these reptiles. These ancient reptiles, often perceived as solitary and unfeeling, have a complex social structure governed by this intricate web of communication. Their interactions are a testament to the depth and richness of their social lives, revealing a side of alligators that is rarely seen. In the animal kingdom, parental care is a precious commodity, often reserved for species higher up the evolutionary ladder. However, there are surprising exceptions to this rule, and one of the most fascinating examples can be found in the world of alligators. Yet here in the alligator's watery realm, we witness a remarkable display of maternal devotion. These ancient reptiles, often perceived as solitary and fierce, reveal a softer, nurturing side that is rarely seen. A mother alligator, having carefully constructed her nest from vegetation and mud, lays a clutch of eggs that she will guard with unwavering dedication. This nest, a labor of love, is meticulously built to provide the perfect environment for her developing offspring. Unlike many reptiles that abandon their eggs, she remains vigilant, protecting her precious brood from predators and the elements. Her watchful eyes and powerful presence deter many would-be threats, ensuring the safety of her unborn young. As the sun beats down on the nest, she uses her powerful tail to splash water over the eggs, regulating their temperature and ensuring their survival. This act of cooling is crucial, as the temperature of the nest can determine the sex of the hatchlings, and when the time comes for her young to hatch, she assists them in breaking free from their shells, gently carrying them to the water's edge in her powerful jaws. This tender moment is a stark contrast to the alligator's fearsome reputation, but her role as a protector doesn't end there. She continues to guard her young, guiding them through the early stages of their lives. For months, she will remain by her offspring's side, teaching them the ways of the swamp and defending them from any potential threats. Her dedication is unwavering, and her young learn essential survival skills under her watchful eye. This fierce maternal instinct, so unexpected in a creature often feared and misunderstood, is a testament to the complex social bonds that exist within the alligator world. It challenges our perceptions and reminds us that even the most formidable creatures have a nurturing side. Deep within the alligator nest, a fascinating phenomenon unfolds, a secret process that determines the sex of the developing embryos. Unlike mammals, where sex is determined by chromosomes, alligator hatchlings are at the mercy of temperature. This remarkable process, known as temperature-dependent sex determination, is a delicate dance between heat and biology. As the sun warms the nest, a critical temperature range comes into play, a range that holds the key to the hatchling's gender. If the nest temperature remains consistently high, above 93 degrees Fahrenheit, the developing alligators will emerge as males. But if the temperature dips below 86 degrees Fahrenheit, females will dominate the clutch. This delicate balance, so susceptible to environmental fluctuations, highlights the intricate connection between alligators and their surroundings. It's a reminder that even the smallest changes in temperature can have profound impacts on the delicate balance of life. This temperature-dependent sex determination, while seemingly unusual, is a testament to the adaptability of these ancient reptiles, allowing them to thrive in a variety of environments. The alligator, an apex predator, sits atop the food chain in its watery domain. Its diet, a reflection of its size and hunting prowess, changes dramatically throughout its life cycle. As hatchlings, small and vulnerable, they rely on a diet of insects, snails, and small fish, creatures they can easily overpower. Their sharp teeth, perfectly designed for grasping and crushing, make short work of these bite-sized meals. As they grow, so too does their appetite and their hunting ambitions. They graduate to larger prey, targeting snakes, turtles, and birds that venture too close to the water's edge. Adult alligators, masters of ambush, are capable of taking down much larger prey, including fish, birds, and mammals. Their powerful jaws, capable of delivering a crushing bite force, can even crush the bones of their unfortunate victims. But the alligator's diet isn't solely restricted to live prey. They are opportunistic scavengers, willing to consume carrion when the opportunity arises, playing a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystem. The alligator, a survivor from a bygone era, has witnessed the rise and fall of countless species. These magnificent creatures have roamed the earth for millions of years, adapting and evolving to survive through drastic changes in climate and environment. Their longevity, a testament to their resilience, is a source of fascination for scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Researchers are continually amazed by their ability to thrive in conditions that would challenge most other species. In the wild, alligators can live for several decades, with some individuals reaching an impressive 50 years or more. This extended lifespan allows them to play a crucial role in their ecosystems, maintaining the balance of their habitats. This remarkable lifespan is attributed to a combination of factors, from their slow metabolism to their remarkable ability to withstand injury. Their bodies are designed to endure, with tough skin and powerful immune systems that fend off infections. Alligators are cold-blooded creatures, meaning their body temperature fluctuates with their surroundings. This trait allows them to regulate their energy use efficiently, basking in the sun to warm up and retreating to the water to cool down. This slow metabolism allows them to conserve energy and survive for long periods without food. They can go months without eating, relying on their stored body fat to sustain them during lean times. Their immune system, honed over millennia, is incredibly robust, capable of fighting off infections that would prove fatal to other animals. This resilience is one of the key factors that contribute contribute to their long lives. Even severe injuries such as lost limbs are no match for their remarkable regenerative abilities. Alligators can heal from wounds that would be catastrophic for other creatures, regrowing lost parts and continuing to thrive. But perhaps their greatest survival advantage lies in their adaptability. Alligators are incredibly versatile, capable of living in a wide range of environments and adjusting to changes in their surroundings with ease. They are masters of their environment, capable of thriving in a variety of habitats, from freshwater swamps to brackish coastal marshes. This adaptability ensures they can find food and shelter in diverse conditions. Their ability to adapt to changing conditions, coupled with their remarkable physiology, ensures that these ancient reptiles will continue to roam our planet for generations to come. As long as their habitats are preserved, alligators will remain a vital part of our natural world, a living link to the distant past. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible alligator secrets, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. The world of nature is full of wonder, and we've only just scratched the surface of what there is to discover about these fascinating creatures. See you next time as we continue our exploration of the wild world. Today we're diving deep into the ocean to uncover the top 5 secrets about whales that you never knew. These majestic creatures have fascinated humans for centuries, and there's so much more to them than meets the eye. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss these incredible facts. From their unique behaviors to their complex social structures, whales are truly remarkable. Whales, the gentle giants of the sea, have long captivated human imagination. Their sheer size and power are awe-inspiring, yet they move with such grace and elegance. These magnificent creatures, with their sheer size and grace, hold many secrets beneath the waves. Their lives are a testament to the wonders of the natural world. From their haunting songs that echo through the ocean depths, which can travel for miles and communicate complex messages, to their epic migrations across the globe, covering thousands of miles each year, whales are full of mysteries waiting to be unveiled. These journeys are not just for survival, but also for breeding and nurturing their young. As we embark on this journey together, prepare to be amazed by the wonders of whale communication, migration, and more. We'll explore how they navigate the vast oceans and the incredible bonds they form within their pods. Each revelation brings us closer to understanding these enigmatic beings and their vital role in the marine ecosystem. Whales play a crucial part in maintaining the health of our oceans, from their feeding habits to their interactions with other marine life. So let's plunge into the deep blue and explore the fascinating world of whales, where every secret unfolds a new chapter in their awe-inspiring story. Together, we'll discover the beauty and complexity of these gentle giants and gain a deeper appreciation for their place in our world. Whales, the maestros of the ocean, possess a complex system of communication that is as mesmerizing as it is mysterious. These gentle giants of the deep have developed a way to converse that is both intricate and captivating, drawing the curiosity of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Their songs, a series of hauntingly beautiful melodies, can travel for miles underwater, resonating through the vast oceanic expanse. These melodies are not random. They follow specific patterns and structures, much like human music, and can last for hours, creating an underwater symphony that is both enchanting and enigmatic. These vocalizations are not merely sounds, but a language, a means of connection among these majestic creatures. Through their songs, whales can share information, express emotions, and maintain social bonds, creating a complex social structure that is essential for their survival. Each species has its unique repertoire, with humpback whales renowned for their intricate and ever-evolving songs. These songs can change over time, with new elements being added and old ones being discarded, showcasing a level of creativity and adaptability that is truly remarkable. These vocalizations serve multiple purposes, from attracting mates to establishing territory and even navigating the deep blue. The ability to communicate effectively is crucial for their reproductive success and for maintaining their dominance in the vast oceanic territories they inhabit. But it is not just songs. Whales also use clicks and body language to convey messages. These clicks, often used in a series of rapid bursts, can help whales identify objects, locate prey, and even communicate with one another over long distances. The clicks, often used by toothed whales like dolphins and sperm whales, function as a sophisticated sonar system, allowing them to echolocate and hunt with precision in the dark ocean depths. This echolocation ability is a testament to the evolutionary ingenuity of these creatures, enabling them to thrive in environments where visibility is limited. Body language too plays a crucial role, with breaches, tail slaps, and pectoral fin waves serving as visual signals in their silent world. These physical gestures can convey a range of messages, from warnings and displays of dominance to playful interactions and social bonding, adding another layer to the rich tapestry of whale communication. Imagine embarking on a journey that spans thousands of miles, crossing vast oceans and braving the elements. This is the life of a whale, a testament to the incredible endurance and navigational prowess of these marine mammals. Whale migration is one of nature's most awe-inspiring phenomena, with species like the gray whale traveling from the icy waters of the Arctic to the warm lagoons of Baja California. These migrations are driven by the need to find food and suitable breeding grounds, a delicate balance that ensures the survival of their species. Yet what guides them on these epic voyages? Scientists believe that whales possess an internal navigation system, possibly influenced by the Earth's magnetic fields and the position of the sun and stars. Despite decades of research, much about this internal compass remains a mystery, leaving us in awe of these oceanic travelers. Chapter 3. The Art of Restful Vigilance. In the vast expanse of the ocean where danger lurks at every corner, whales have mastered the art of restful vigilance. These magnificent creatures navigate through waters teeming with potential threats, from orcas to human activities. Their survival depends on a delicate balance between rest and alertness. Unlike humans, whales must consciously think about breathing, a necessity that makes traditional sleep impossible. Every breath they take is a deliberate action, requiring them to surface regularly. This unique breathing pattern means they cannot afford to be completely unconscious even for a moment. Instead, they have evolved a unique way of resting, allowing one half of their brain to sleep while the other remains alert. This adaptation, known as unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, enables them to rest and stay vigilant simultaneously. One hemisphere of their brain shuts down, allowing for rest, while the other remains active, keeping an eye out for danger and ensuring they can surface for air. This remarkable adaptation enables them to stay vigilant, ensuring they can surface for air and remain aware of potential threats. It's a constant state of partial awareness, a testament to their evolutionary ingenuity. This way they can continue their long migrations, navigate through complex environments, and avoid predators. Observing a resting whale is a serene experience as it drifts gently through the water, one eye open, ever watchful. This state of restful vigilance is a beautiful sight, showcasing the whale's ability to find peace amidst the potential chaos of the ocean. This half-brain sleep, known as unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, is a testament to the whale's ability to adapt to its environment, balancing the need for rest with the constant demands of survival. It's a fascinating glimpse into the complexity of marine life and the extraordinary adaptations that have evolved over millions of years. It is a delicate dance, a reminder of the resilience and ingenuity of these ocean giants. Their ability to maintain this balance is crucial for their survival, allowing them to thrive in an environment that is as beautiful as it is unforgiving. The art of restful vigilance is not just a survival mechanism, it is a profound example of nature's brilliance. Chapter 4. A Feast Fit for Giants. The ocean is a banquet, and whales are its discerning diners, each species with its preferred menu. The blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, sustains its colossal size with a diet primarily composed of tiny krill. These minuscule crustaceans, consumed in vast quantities, provide the energy needed for the blue whale's immense body. In contrast, the orca, or killer whale, is a versatile predator with a varied diet that includes fish, seals, and even other whales. This adaptability has earned orcas the title of apex predators, ruling the ocean with intelligence and teamwork. The diversity in whale diets reflects the adaptability of these creatures, each species carving out its niche in the marine ecosystem. From filter feeders to skilled hunters, whales demonstrate the intricate balance of nature, each playing a vital role in maintaining the health of the ocean's food web. Chapter 5. The Timeless Giants. In the realm of longevity, whales stand as timeless giants, their lives stretching across centuries. Among them, the bowhead whale is a marvel, known to live over 200 years, making it one of the longest living mammals on Earth. This remarkable lifespan is attributed to their slow metabolism and the cold Arctic waters they inhabit, which may contribute to their longevity. The secrets of their extended lives are a subject of fascination and study, offering insights into aging and resilience. Yet the journey of a whale's life is not without challenges. From the perils of predation to the threats posed by human activities, whales navigate a world fraught with dangers. Despite these challenges, their enduring presence in the ocean is a testament to their resilience and adaptability, a living link to the ancient past and a beacon of hope for the future of our oceans. We can foster a deeper connection with the natural world and inspire efforts to protect and preserve it for future generations. Until next time, may the wonders of the ocean continue to captivate and inspire us all, reminding us of our shared responsibility.